200 coming up in just 17 overs. It's terrific batting from these two, Rajiv and Bhaskar. It's been their show. 121 to Rajiv, and Bhaskar has contributed 74. It's a happy looking dugout. Still 3 overs to go, and Bhaskar needs 26 for his 100. You were saying, what can they do? What can Kerala strikers do? They can just sit back and enjoy what's going out there in the middle.
How is that?
Strikers, they're playing the first season of CCL. They've enjoyed the fact that they have been part of this event. They've done quite well. They won 2 matches in the CCL. Mohan Lal as a captain has led quite well. He goes reverse this time. Rajiv, and he connects quite well. But there is a fielder. He'll only get a single. Now he can do that. He can try all kinds of shots on this track. We're talking about the strikers. They've had a decent outing. They upset Bengal Tigers in the last game. Also Mumbai Heroes before that, in front of the local crowd in Kochi. Hits it well, hits it straight, and it goes for a 6. It's the first 6 from the blade of Bhaskar. He gets into the mood here. He wants to get his 100 as well.
Definitely eyeing for it. He moves on to 81. Left arm spinner giving a little bit of room, but Bhaskar is well set. He's hit a terrific shot. That's his first 6, in fact. Say it all.
She wants to hide. she wants the earth to swallow her. He goes again, straight. Oh, back-to-back 6s here for Bhaskar. This was a wonderful strike from Bhaskar. He gets underneath that delivery in such a splendid manner, hits it cleanly.
This time he goes over long on, and the same result. 87 he takes himself to. Well, was what a reversal of fortunes for Kerala strikers. They were on the top yesterday, beating Bengal Tigers by 1 run, and today it's been complete reverse. Oh, he asked for it. Has he gone upstairs? Yes, he has. That's a close call.
Bhaskar has already decided that he's out, so he seems is walking back to the pavilion. But the leg umpire has gone upstairs. He went for the slog once again, missed the line completely. Bhaskar. Rajiv was the wicket keeper. He collects it cleanly. Where is the foot? Has it come back? I don't think so. Still in the air. And Rajiv has done quite well to affect that stumping. Quite sure about that. We need to see it from the other angle. This would give us a clear picture. Can't make out from here. Very difficult. I think the first one was better, Amol, isn't it?
The first one, his foot was in the air when the bails were clipped off by the wicketkeeper. You can have a look here. Collects it cleanly. There you go, the bails are disturbed, and his foot still way short of the pop-in crease.
That's clear evidence that Bhaskar's foot was outside the popping crease, and that's the time when Rajiv, the wicketkeeper, effected that stumping. The bails were off the groove. Still waiting for the third umpire's decision. This is another angle that should give us a clear picture. There you see, he affects it in the. His foot is still in the air.
put up in the air and also outside the poppin trees, Saba, and that's out. We'll just have to wait and watch what the decision is from the third umpire.
Sensible, fair call. So third umpire's decision has come on the big screen. So finally, the strikers, they got the first wicket. Basar, who batted quite well. 87 of only 53 deliveries. It's 214 for 1, the Bulldozers.
Finally, a wicket for Kerala strikers. Basar has departed, and Dhruv has come in, and he is into the act straight away. Oh, has he caught it? Yes, he has. What a fantastic catch! And it's that man again, Manikuttan. So 2 in a row.
Now this is awesome. This is excellent fielding effort from Manikuttan. He was standing at long on. This is a flat hit from Dhruv. He had to dive in front and look at that catch. Has he taken it cleanly? I want to have a replay again. I want to see that again. But this is a great effort from Manikuttan. I think they should go for a referral. He's convinced. Just want to see that again. Have they asked for a referral here?